In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide or unhide a category. Now, before I get started and show you how to do that, I want to talk a little bit about what the difference is between hiding a category and deleting a category. So when you hide a category, you're not actually deleting it. All you're doing is you're saying, I want to hide it from any of the reports here where it has 0 transactions inside of that category. Now, the time when you would typically want to use this is, let's say that last year you were using a category, in this case I'll call it a sample category. And in that category, we were using it to track something that this year no longer applies. So instead of seeing that category all the time and also seeing in our list of categories when we save an expense, we don't want to see it anymore because it's not applicable. So the way we do that is we hide it. And now by doing so, it just hides it when it doesn't have any transactions in it, but still keeps all of the old transactions that were under it in that same category. Whereas deleting a category, you're actually deleting the category and it's no longer available. And the only way that you can delete a category is if it has no transactions inside of it, because you obviously can't delete a category that has data already associated with it. So now, without further ado, the way that you would hide a category is you click the More button, click Edit Categories, click on the category you want to hide, click the Hide button. It's going to say the same message that I just explained. And then now you'll see it's no longer in here because it didn't have any transactions. Now, if I still had transactions under that category, it would show up in here. Now, the way to unhide a category is click the More button, click Edit Categories, click back on the category, click Unhide. You unhide it, and now here it is back under the sample category. One last thing I want to mention is that by hiding a category, it's not going to remove it from the profit and loss report. And that's where a lot of users get confused and want to use that hide category option. So it's still going to show it on the profit and loss report, provided there are actually transactions or a balance under the profit and loss report under that category. Hope this helps.